Hi dear students, our new lesson today is multiplying fraction. Okay, let's start. First, we have to remember that the types of fraction we have studied before at primary 4, okay? The first type of the fraction is a proper fraction. What is the meaning of a proper fraction? Proper fraction, it's a numerator less than denominator, like 3/5, okay? And the second type of the fraction is an improper fraction, which its numerator is greater than denominator, like 18/5. And the last type of the fraction is mixed number. What is the meaning of mixed number? Mixed number is a whole number and a proper fraction, like that. We have here 2 and 2/3. 2 here is a whole number and 2/3 is a proper fraction. Okay, that's called a mixed number. Here we have to know how to multiply two fractions together. Let's see. To multiply any two fractions, first we have to multiply top numbers, which are called numerators. We have here a/b multiply c/d, okay? First multiply top numbers or numerators, which are a multiply c. Then multiply bottom numbers, which are denominators, b multiply d. So easy. Let's see. We have here 2/7 multiply 3/5. How can we do it? Okay, let's start. Multiply the numerators. 2 multiply 3 will be 6, and 7 multiply 5 will be 35. Next. Again. Here we have 3/4 multiply 1/2. So we will multiply numerators, then multiply denominators. 3 times 1 will be 3, and 4 multiply 2 will be 8. 3/8 is a simplified fraction. We can't simplify it, okay? Next. Another example, 2/6 multiply 9/16. Let's multiply these fractions. 2 multiply 9 will be 18, and 6 multiply 16 will be 96. It will be 18/96. It's a bigger fraction. Can we simplify this fraction? Of course we can. What is the meaning of simplifying? We have to divide the two numbers, 18 and 96. The two numbers are divisible by what? 18 and 96, the two numbers are divisible by 3. 18 divided 3 will be 6. 96 divided 3 will be 32. We have another fraction is 6/32. The two numbers are even numbers, so we have to simplify again by 2. 6 and 32 is divisible by 2. 6 divided 2 will be 3. 32 divided 2 will be 16. Next. We have here another method to multiplying a fraction. How can we do it? This method is called butterfly method. How? We have here 20/8 multiply 4/4. We can simplify the fraction before we are going to multiply them. How? By using butterfly method. We will take 4 and 8, then 4 and 20. We have here 4 and 8 up and down, opposite to each other. Again, up and down, opposite to each other. We have to simplify them. Okay, let's start. 4 and 8. What is the greatest common factor? Or They are divisible by what? 4 and 8 are divisible by 2 and 4. So we will take the greatest common factor, which is 4. 4 divided 4 will be 1, and 8 divided 4 will be 2. Let's see another one, 20 and 4. The two numbers here are divisible by 2 and 4. So what we will take? We are going to take the greatest common factor, which is 4. Excellent. 4 divided 4 will be 1. 20 divided 4 will be 5. And now we have to multiply top numbers, then multiply bottom numbers. 5 times 1 will be 5, and 2 multiply 1 will be 2. Excellent. Next. Another example here, 8 over 9 multiply 3 over 4. Let's start. We can simplify the fractions. How? By using butterfly method. 8 over 9 multiply 3 over 4. We circle here 8 and 4 and 3 and 9. Okay? 8 and 4 are divisible by 4 and 2. So what will we take here? We are going to take the greatest common factor, which is 4. Excellent. 8 divided 4 will be 2, and 4 divided 4 will be 1. Okay, the next, 3 and 9. We have here 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Yes. 3 divided 3 will be 1, and 9 divided 3 will be 3. So we have here another fractions. They are 2 over 3 multiply 1 over 1. Then multiply numerators and multiply denominators. 2 multiply 1 equals 2. 3 multiply 1 will be 3. Next. Here another exercise. 3 over 15 multiply 5 over 6. We can multiply numerators, then multiply denominators, but we can use butterfly methods, as we said before. We have here 5 and 15. The two numbers here are divisible by 5. 5 divided 5 will be 1. 15 divided 5 will be 3. Then we have 3 and 6. 3 and 6 are divisible by 3. 3 divided 3 equals 1, and 6 divided 3 equals 2. Then we have 1 over 3 multiply 1 over 2. Let's multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 multiply 1 equals 1, and 3 multiply 2 will be 6. Okay? Okay. Another one. 9 over 4 multiply 12 over 6. How can we do it? As we said before, butterfly method. We have here 12 and 4. The two numbers are divisible by, they are even numbers. So they are divisible by 4 and 2. But we will take the greatest common factor, which is 4. 4 divided 4 equals 1. 12 divided 4 equals 3. We have again 6 and 9. The two numbers here are divisible by 3. 6 divided 3 equals 2, and 9 divided 3 will be 3. Then we have fractions, which are 3 over 1 multiply 3 over 2, multiply first numerator, then multiply denominators. 3 multiply 3 equals 9, and 1 multiply 2 equals 2. Have you got it? Okay. Another exercise. When we want to multiply fraction by a whole number, how can we do it? It's so easy. We can convert the whole number into a fraction. How? You can put 1 under the whole number. Why 1? Because 1 not exchange the value of the number. You know that. We have here 2/7 multiply 3, put 1 under 3. Then multiply the numerators and multiply denominators. 2 multiply 3 equals 6, and 7 multiply 1 equals 7. Excellent. It will be 6/7. Another exercise. We have here whole number multiplying a fraction. What can we do here? We are going to put 1 under 5 to be a fraction. It will be 5/1 multiply 9/10. Okay, can I use here butterfly method? Yes, we can do it. How? We have here 5 and 10. The two numbers are divisible by 5. Yes or no? Of course. 5 and 10 in timetable 5. If I divide 5 divided 5 will be 1, and 10 divided 5 will be 2. Then the answer will be 1 by 9 equals 9, and 1 by 10 equals 10. Or you can multiply the numerators, then multiply the denominators, then make simplify. And don't forget simplifying the fraction. Okay? Okay. Remember that we have studied before at primary 4 the mixed number and how to convert it from mixed to an improper fraction. Okay? Here we have 3 and 1/5. This is a mixed number. I want to convert it into a improper fraction. How can we do it? First, multiply the whole number by the denominator, then add to the numerator, like that. 3 by 5 equals 15. 15 plus 1 will be 16. It will be 16/5. Another example, we have 4 and 1/3. How can we do it? Multiply the whole number by the denominator. 4 by 3 will be 12. Then add 12 to the numerator. 12 plus 1 will be 13. And don't forget keeping the denominator as it is. Okay? Okay. Here we want to multiply fractions, but they are mixed numbers. How can we do it? As we said before, we have to convert the mixed numbers into an improper fraction, like that. 1 3/4 multiply 2 4/7. How can we do it? Convert the mixed number into an improper fraction. 1 by 4 will be 4. 4 plus 3 equals 7. The first fraction will be 7/4. The second fraction, 2 by 7 equals 14. 14 plus 4 will be 18. We have here 7/4 multiply 18/7. Can we use the butterfly method? Let's see. We have here 18 and 4. The two numbers here are divisible by 2. Why? Because they are even numbers. 4 divided 2 equals 2. 18 divided 2 will be 9. And here we have 7 and 7. Of course, they are divisible by itself. 7 divided 7 will be 1. 7 divided 7 will be 1. Let's make the multiplication operation. 1 by 9 will be 9, and 2 by 1 will be 2. It will be 9/2. It's an improper fraction. We can convert it into a mixed number as we have studied before at primary 4, and it will be 4.5. Now thank you for listening to me, and thank you.